In today's fast-paced digital world, wearable technology is revolutionizing how we interact with apps. And when it comes to developing top-notch Apple Watch apps, you need a trusted partner with expertise and innovation. Welcome to RichestSoft, your go-to app development company. Top-notch apps for Apple Watch. From fitness tracking and productivity tools to real-time notifications and health monitoring, Apple Watch apps enhance daily life like never before. At RichestSoft, we specialize in crafting intuitive, high-performance Apple Watch applications that deliver a seamless user experience. Whether you need a custom health and fitness app, a smart business assistant, or an interactive entertainment solution, our expert developers ensure your app is feature-rich, lightweight, and optimized for Apple WatchOS. Steps to develop your Apple Watch app. Building an Apple Watch app involves a strategic development process. Here's how RichestSoft ensures success. Requirement analysis. Understanding your app's goals and user needs. UI/UX design. Creating a visually stunning and user-friendly interface. Development and integration. Building the core functionality and ensuring smooth connectivity with iPhone apps. Testing and debugging. Ensuring a flawless, bug-free experience before launch. Deployment and support. Launching your app on the App Store and providing ongoing maintenance. Business benefits of investing in wearable app development. Investing in Apple Watch app development isn't just about innovation, it's a game changer for your business. Here's why. Increased customer engagement, reach users directly on their wrists. Enhanced brand loyalty, provide convenience and value to your customers. Competitive advantage, stay ahead in the digital market with cutting-edge wearable solutions. New revenue streams, monetize through subscriptions, premium features, or e-commerce integrations. At RichestSoft, we help businesses leverage wearable technology to create innovative solutions that drive growth and user satisfaction. Cost to develop an app for Apple Watch. The cost of developing an Apple Watch app depends on various factors, such as app complexity, design, features, and integrations. On average, development costs range from $10,000 to $50,000 for a basic to advanced app. Want a detailed estimate? Contact RichestSoft, and our team will provide a customized quote based on your requirements. Enjoy a seamless iOS app development experience with RichestSoft. At RichestSoft, we don't just build apps, we craft seamless experiences. Our team of skilled developers, creative designers, and expert strategists work together to bring your Apple Watch app vision to life. Custom solutions tailored to your business needs, scalable apps that grow with your user base, end-to-end support from development to App Store deployment. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, RichestSoft ensures a smooth and efficient development process. Let's transform your Apple Watch app idea into reality. Ready to build your next-gen Apple Watch app? Let's talk. Visit richestsoft.com and let's create something extraordinary together.